Umbrellas fail 30% of the time, yet we still rely on them to shield us from rain. The seemingly simple umbrella has puzzled people for centuries. Why do we still use these flimsy devices, despite their dismal failure rate? The answer lies in the history of umbrella development. Ancient civilizations like China and Egypt used umbrellas as protection from the sun and rain. However, their designs were vastly different from the ones we use today. In the 17th century, European inventors created the first collapsible umbrellas, but it wasn't until the Industrial Revolution that umbrellas became a staple in everyday life. The Industrial Revolution brought mass production and affordable materials, making umbrellas more accessible. Yet their design remained largely unchanged, with a focus on aesthetics rather than functionality. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of scientific knowledge. That's how complex the wind can be, making umbrella design a daunting task.
Butterfly effects and vortex dynamics play a crucial role in umbrella stability.
Effects and vortex, however, making umbrella design a daunting task. In fact, most umbrellas are designed with a narrow focus on wind resistance. But what happens when the wind is not the only factor at play? Have you ever experienced a sudden gust of wind that turned your umbrella inside out? It's like a tornado in a bottle, with air rushing in and out of the umbrella's canopy. This phenomenon occurs when the wind speed exceeds the umbrella's structural integrity. But that's not the strangest part. The real surprise comes when we analyze the umbrella's materials. Most umbrellas are made from thin, lightweight materials like nylon or polyester.
However, these materials are not as strong as they seem, and they can easily snap under stress.
Wait until you hear what comes next. Fascinating than you however think, and they can easily snap under stress. Scientists have discovered that umbrella failure rates are not random events. They follow a predictable pattern, with certain wind speeds and directions leading to catastrophic failure. It's like a ticking time bomb, where the pressure builds up until the umbrella suddenly collapses. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers found a correlation between umbrella failure and human psychology. People who use umbrellas are more likely to experience stress and anxiety when facing wind and rain. This is not just a coincidence. There's a deeper connection between our emotional state and the umbrella's design. Real-world consequences of this phenomenon are staggering, with millions of people worldwide relying on umbrellas. The impact is not just emotional. It also affects our daily routines and productivity. Imagine being stuck indoors on a rainy day, unable to venture out due to a faulty umbrella. That's the reality for many people, and it's a consequence of our reliance on these flimsy devices. However, there's hope on the horizon. Innovative designs and materials are being developed to improve umbrella stability. These new umbrellas are not only more durable, but also more environmentally friendly. In fact, some companies are creating umbrellas from recycled materials, reducing waste and pollution. The future of umbrella design is exciting, with scientists and engineers working together to create better solutions. But until then, we must learn to adapt and appreciate the science behind umbrella failure. Key takeaway: the humble umbrella is not just a simple device, but a complex system that requires careful design and understanding. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this and join our journey of discovery. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.